Frustrated by the Libsasl library DLL error causing Cyrus SASL to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we start the Libsasl library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Libsasl library, the simple authentication and security layer, SASL library. It provides localized protocols for secure localized authentication, LDAP and SMTP. Essential for localized email clients and network-integrated tools to perform encrypted credential handshakes. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. If your software is failing because of Libsasl Library DLL, the internal file mapping for Cyrus SASL is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Libsasl library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Installing an unverified version of Libsasl Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Libsasl library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Libsasl library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.